Hello, if you are wondering if there is a screen recorder on Motorola Moto G04 or a G04s, then the answer is yes. If you open the quick access over here, then you should be able to find the screen recorder somewhere over here or on another page. If not, then you can also tap on this pen over here in order to find everything. And you might need to scroll all the way down in order to find the screen recorder, and then you might need to pretty much drag and drop it into the upper side of the quick access, and then you should be able to use it. So we can tap screen recorder over here. We can decide if you want to record audio or not, or if you want to see the touches on the screen, and then you can tap start. And after 3 seconds over here, it is indicating the countdown. Once the countdown is done, we start recording. Then we can see the notifications in order to see that we are recording, and we can tap stop in order to stop the recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.